Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and once again this is MisunderstoodCheeky. My name is Diane and you're watching my vlog. Anyway, we are having this 3-day long weekend and we have decided to go to the beach because why not? We are not tagging along Sherlock because we're not sure if this beach that we're going to is safe for dogs or if it's a dog-friendly beach. So we're going to travel to the southeast, but first of all, let's go and drop by the west to pick up some of our delicious dim sums cooked by our friendly neighborhood from Pinoy AU. We're also going to pick up our friends from the west in Altona area so that we can all go together to the beach for this special event. I'm going to tell you later on why it's a holiday on Monday. For now, let's head out. It's Australia Day. We are going to the beach, but firstly we are going to pick up our order of siumai. It's Chinese dumpling that can be homemade. It's $13 for 15 pieces and we can't wait to try it out. We picked it up here at West Sunshine in the west part of Melbourne. Now we are on our way to pick up our friends in Altona, Gian and Eds. It's forecasted to be sunny, yet the temperature is going to be from 20 to 24. Currently we've been updated by the radio that's going to go up to 27. So see you guys later. We arrived here at Bonn Beach and this is the tent that we've set up. To give you an overview, Bonn Beach is a family beach and it's 20 kilometers away from Melbourne. It was introduced to us by Alan's colleague Nathan from Carlisle Homes, and advises that if we want to try to go to the beach near the city, then Bonn Beach is a nice place to be. Bonn Beach basically means beautiful beach in French. As you can see, there are also 3 houses here, like the houses that you see in Brighton.
Tell you one thing, ain't gonna change much. The sun still rises, even with the pain. Tell you one thing, ain't gonna change, love. The sun still rises, even through the rain.
You're still here. Have I forgotten to tell you something? Did I forget to say goodbye? Anyway, thank you for watching this video. It's quite short, I know. There are a few clips that I've just, omitted, but I'm still glad that you stick to my video of this after credits. Thank you for watching my YouTube video, and anyway, since I'm already here doing my thing, I'll be posting soon about a video of how I take care of my skin. I know I don't have perfect skin, but I've learned to at least try to maintain the youthfulness of my skin, I think. Anyway, I'll be trying to post soon about my daily routine on how I take care of my skin from morning, when I wake up, when I put on my makeup, and at night, which is basically what I'm doing right now. Clearing my skin from all the makeups and the dust from the whole day of shooting and going to the beach. Anyway, see you guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you still haven't yet. Also, do not forget to tick that bell there so that you can get notification when I upload some videos. Anyway, thank you, and you have a good night. Cheers. Bye.
As if it was all